Today we are making a delicious pumpkin spice latte 2 ways. My name is Aliena and welcome to my kitchen. To start making our pumpkin spice latte, here I have 2 cups of milk. This makes actually 2 drinks, and you can use any milk. I'm just using whole milk, but you can use almond milk, oat milk. It's completely up to you. Next, I'm going to be adding in my sweetener. I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. I usually use around 2 to 3 tablespoons, but you can also use sugar if you don't have maple syrup. Next, I'm adding in 3 tablespoons, and these are hefty tablespoons of just pumpkin puree. Give this a stir until everything is combined, and when it's nice and hot, you can remove it from the heat. I'm adding in 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, along with half a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. Next, I'm adding in my hot coffee. You can either use espresso or just brewed coffee. And I'm going to add in half a cup and then taste it to see if I want to add a little bit more. And I have one of my little spoons over here, so I'm just going to do a taste test, because this does make 2 drinks and I like the coffee flavor. I'm actually not going to be adding in any more coffee because this is a quite strong coffee, so I definitely get my coffee flavor in there. Next, I'm adding in 2 ounces of Baileys to one of my glasses. This is completely optional, but as this is a cocktail channel, I thought we gotta make one a drink, and Baileys makes everything better. And now it's time to pour in our pumpkin spice latte. Now, this is optional, but I love adding whipped cream on top of a pumpkin spice latte. It just makes it better in my opinion. And to make my whipped cream, all I did was take 1 cup of heavy cream, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I beat it for about 2 minutes until stiff peaks formed. And now it's time to pop it on, or pipe it on actually. Or you could pop it on, it's up to you. And now I'm just going to sprinkle some pumpkin pie spice right on top. I think that's enough. There we go. And now we get to taste our drink. This is my favorite time, and you know I picked up the one with Baileys in it. Wow, that is so delicious. It's so creamy because of that whipped cream on top, and there's so much flavor packed into it. Now that I've tried the Baileys, let's try our regular version. That is really good. They're both delicious. I feel like I can almost taste the pumpkin a little bit more than the one with Baileys in it, but both of them are absolutely delicious. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next week. Cheers!